They said I couldn't see, but I saw love. They said I was walking in the dark, said I would never make it far, but in my heart I saw her face, even when I couldn't see her eyes. They laughed at me behind my back, set their traps, said I would crack, but every step I took in faith was leading me straight to embrace. They talked so loud they doubted me, said love was not my destiny, but in my soul I felt so strong, I knew my heart was not so wrong. Now I put a ring on her hand, and the voices fade away. I was blind, but now I stand with a love they couldn't break. I put a ring on her hand, let the whole world understand. I didn't see her with my eyes, but my heart knew who she was. She was shining like the morning sun, beauty deeper than the skin. She didn't love me for my sight, she loved the fire deep within. When the world was cold to me, she was a warmth I couldn't see. Now the ones who laughed before stand amazed outside my door. They try to shake my every step, try to steal the faith I kept, but love stood tall and held me tight, turned all my darkness into light. Now I put a ring on her hand, and the voices fade away. I was blind, but now I stand with a love they couldn't break. I put a ring on her hand, let the whole world understand. I didn't see her with my eyes, but my heart knew who she was. If they doubt you, let them doubt. If they laugh, let them laugh. Love is stronger than their words, stronger than their careless talk. What is seen will fade away, but what is felt will always stay. I lost my sight but found my way. In her arms I'm not afraid. Now I put a ring on her hand, let the whole world understand. Love doesn't need the light to see, it only needs a heart to beat. I put a ring on her hand, and my story now is clear. I was blind but found my dream when she said forever here. They said I was blind, but now they see. Love goes beyond the eye.